Hey guys, and welcome back to the ICO Insider. Today I'm going to make a video about how to use a desktop staking wallet for Bitfinite. If you want some more information about the requirements and the specifications of Bitfinite staking, check out my previous video where I've gone into a bit of depth about all the information in regards to staking on Bitfinite. So in this video I'm just going to get straight to it and show you guys how to get the desktop Bitfinite wallet up and going, ready for staking. So you'll go to the Bitfinite homepage and scroll down to the Bitfinite wallets. So the first one we got is the Bitfinite Mac wallet, Bitfinite Windows wallet, Bitfinite Linux wallet, and the Bitfinite Android wallet, which is coming soon. So you want to click on the Bitfinite Windows wallet and download that because I'm running a Windows machine. So you'll download here. Once it's downloaded, it'll be in an encrypted, zipped folder. So you want to right click on that and extract the file. Once extracted, open it up and you have a application file here. So right click on that and you want to run it as an administrator. So Windows protected your PC. So your antivirus or whatever software you're running, your firewall will pick this up as an unrecognized program and that it's at risk. But you just got to run it anyway and it's fine. Nothing will happen. So you ignore it and you go run anyway. So now the wallet is open. And if you look down here, active connections, so it's out of sync. So this is going to download the whole blockchain for the Bitfinite network. So your computer will run as a node, as you can see here. So by staking Bitfinite coins, your computer becomes a dynamic node on the grid, processing and transmitting connections. So for that, that's where your staking interest comes from because you're helping the network. So after some time, the wallet is offline. This will start to sync. So I'll come back when this is connected and I'll continue from there. So from here, you just leave it and it will sync itself. So as we can see here, you just leave the wallet open until it starts syncing. So it's downloading blockchain right now, so you can read this, catching up, current difficulty, current proof of stake difficulty, current proof of work difficulty, last received block was generated 77 days ago. So yeah, you just got to wait, 21% done. So when that's finished, I will continue this video and you can see a little notifications down here. This is the connection, one active connection to the Bitfinite network, which is not so good, but at least it's a connection. And the blockchain download is in progress. So we have to wait for this to finish and then we can continue our next step. Okay, so now the wallet is all synced up and the blockchain is downloaded. So if you look down the bottom here, so no suitable inputs found, two active connections. And this is the important thing, we have a green tick. So it's up to date. Last received block generated 1 second ago. So perfect. So now we're ready and all synced up to the network. So what you want to do now is you want to send coins from your Bitfinite wallet from your dashboard into your desktop wallet. Now to do that, you go to the Receive Coins tab. And this is your address for this desktop wallet. So you can also rename your wallet name. You can name it anything you like. This one I'll do BFC staking. So once that's done, you can copy the address. So right click and then copy address. Then you want to go back to your dashboard. And once you're in your dashboard, you want to go to the navigation and click on wallets. So once you're in your wallet, so your BFC address to send, so you want to right click and paste. the amount that you want to send, whatever the amount is, your 2FA authentication code, and then you go send coin. At the moment, I don't have a balance as I've already sent some to the staking pool, but you'll send the coin, and then you'll have to be a bit patient until the coins are sent to the wallet. Now, to track it, you can go up here and go to transaction history in your wallet, and it will show up here. So this type, the status, and if you click on the transaction hash here, it will show your transaction in the Bitfinite Explorer, so you can follow it up if you like. So this one I did a few days ago on the 1st or 31st of January. And so this is the block hash, timestamp. I have 1,502 confirmations on this. So I've sent it to my desktop wallet. So when you've sent it, your balance will come up here, and if you go it will show up in transactions, and make sure it's confirmed. When it's confirmed, when your coins are in your Bitfinite wallet, you want to go to settings, you want to go to wallet security, and you want to encrypt the wallet. So this will be your private key, a unique password that you will not lose. Write it down somewhere, save it somewhere, try to keep it offline. That's the best thing to do, and don't give it out to anybody. So if anything goes wrong, your computer crashes or something happens and you can't access the wallet, as long as you have this this code, you can get your wallet back. So you'll do a password, and I'll put one up here for now. So you want to put in your password, and okay. Warning: if you encrypt your wallet, you lose your passphrase, you will lose all your coins. So you sure you want to encrypt your wallet? Yes. So okay, and now you want to restart the Bitfinite program. Run as administrator. Yes. Out of sync. Now, if you look down here, there's a little padlock, and so the wallet is encrypted and currently locked. So when you open this up, it will show your balance, it will show the transactions sent. Now I've just got to wait for this to sync. Should sync fairly quickly, and there we go. So now we got the tick and we're synced up. Now once your wallet is encrypted, you want to back up your wallet as well. So you go to File and Backup Wallet, and save this file somewhere safe. So once the backup's done, you want to go to Settings, and you want to go to Wallet Security, and you want to unlock the wallet. So unlocking your wallet begins the staking process. So you'll put in your password. So once you've put in your password, if you come down to the lock, it will say wallet is encrypted and currently unlocked. So now you can begin the staking process. But for Bitfinite, there is a 24-hour maturing period. So you'll need to have your coins in the wallet for a minimum of 24 hours before you can start staking. So you want to go to minting, and there will be a transaction here, which is your transaction, and it will be this color here. Transaction is too young. After the 24 hours, that the transaction is mature and the staking process will begin. And that's pretty much it. So you want to always keep this wallet open whenever you're running your computer. I recommend having it open at least once a day, just so you can keep up with the blockchain. And that's it. So this is my staking wallet. Balances here, recent transactions, send, receive, go to transactions, it will show your transaction here. And for me, I've got a tick, so it's confirmed. And if you go to minting, so as you see, after 24 hours, the transaction will mature and it will start staking. So every time you open up your computer or laptop, make sure your desktop wallet is open and that it is unlocked. So wallet is encrypted and unlocked. So you go settings, wallet security, and unlock. And that's it. Pretty much done. And then you just minimize and use your computer however you like. So if you like this video, if it was helpful, give it a like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if it helped you and if you're staking and what your plans are with Bitfinite. And yeah, that's it. Hope it helps and stay tuned for the next one. Thanks, guys.